2019 has been the year of making tax digital, and so I think one of the main messages is just really that it's not something to fear. It's pretty straightforward, and we've done a lot of demos in our product and really showed how straightforward that is. But I think the main message is, where to next? Where do accountants want to be in a year's time from now? What do we want to be talking about? And actually, rather than thinking about making tax digital, we think it's about making business digital, and how you can use all the information that we now have on with our clients and accounting practices together on a single ledger and put that to good use, looking at the future of the business rather than looking in the rear vision mirror.
2019 is all about looking at how accountants can be more efficient and really add value to client relationships. So clearly MTD is a big message still for the next couple of months, but once that's over and done with, it's all about actually doubling down, looking at the bank feeds and bank rules, making sure they bring auto-entry receipt back to really automate it. But then once you've got really good clean data, Sage will be working with accountants to add real value with data analytics, business tools to actually create meaningful conversations.
Well, from Iris Software, we've got loads going on. We are doing everything from one-man bands to help them all the way up to top 4. We're working with partners such as MindBridge on how to bring AI to the profession and how to help accountants mitigate risk and not worry about the fear of whether technology is going to overtake them or how it's actually going to augment them. But also from around, let's help you to cross that digital chasm, bridging that digital divide. And in 2019, we're going to see so many more comfortable accountants, because they'll be settled with the technology, but also around the change management aspect of it all, around how they can bring about change, not just in their own practices for good, but for their clients as well. And that's the important part, is accountants are here to help the lives of their clients. And 2019 is going to see more of that than ever again.
I think what we've seen from a Microsoft perspective is how quickly accountants are becoming tech companies. The prevalence of tech and the cloud is having a huge impact on the business models of accountants, how they're going to evolve their businesses, and also how they're going to embrace digital transformation. Our big investments as Microsoft are in artificial intelligence, cognitive services. We see them making a huge impact on the way that organizations run their businesses, the tasks that their users do, but it also brings forward a big piece around ethics, and also really how we as Microsoft can help organizations achieve more using our technology and leveraging the power of the cloud.
I think there are an awful lot of challenges going through for accountants at the moment, and we've seen some of the digital revolution going through. A lot of that has been driven by MTD. But with that comes some great opportunities. Some great opportunities to position yourself well with your clients, some great opportunities to position yourself well within your firm, and actually to improve productivity. So when we're looking at it, we see some of the opportunities by engaging across all of the digital platforms and actually learning.
Oh, I think the great excitement is with machine learning and AI. At MindBridge, we developed the first machine learning AI extensible platform for accountants to use in auditing. So now we can basically take any financial transactions from your general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable. We apply our series of algorithms, control points from rules-based to statistical methodologies to our advanced leading-edge machine learning AI, and identify high-risk transactions. And you can do so quickly, with speed, with higher risk assurance, and with greater insight than ever before. This really propels auditors to become not just auditing, but also become strategic business advisors to their clients.